Shengshiweiye vertical tire changer covers in small area with fast dismantling speed. Use hydraulic motor drive system. Make the tire removal more powerful. With aluminum turbine box and pure copper motor. More efficient and stable. Automatic telescopic disassembly arm make disassembly tire angle more accurate. Double roller for different tires. Free moving control box. 5 control rods control the work of each part. Rim locking system and claw using aluminum magnesium alloy and special precision cast steel combination. Shengshiweiye special tire changer is widely used in all kinds of passenger cars, trucks, engineering vehicles, tire maintenance, testing, vehicle tire replacement modification, and other automotive aftermarket. Adhering to professional perseverance.